I just want to read this part for all of you. This is chapter 1 in The Strength of the Few. So we're right in the beginning. He reaches around and presses the obsidian in his hand against the base of his skull, immediately exhaling through clenched teeth and bracing himself against the wall. The motion allowing me a view of the delicate inscribed lines on the triangle surface. Why is he putting an obsidian in himself? The only people that do that are the Yungtus. So is he a Yungtus in this version of Obitium? And then this is key. Or takes his hand away, back still to me. The obsidian remains embedded in place. No blood. This is important because he says they don't bleed. As he straightens, ignoring my concerned look and moving to the edge, peering downward. That was the other thing. So is he a Yungtus in that? In Obitium? But the real version exists in Lucium, but then he became evil in Lucium because he's trying to control everything. So now I am very suspicious of his motivations. The whole story that we know for Obitium is told to us by Siror. There's nobody else who told us the story except for Netikrit, who was the one who said the person Jedef, who is the Ingtai, that she's like, oh, I don't know what you're talking about. And she never says she knows him. And all of Siror's information, Siror has told Vis that he's gotten from that one Ingtai. What is going on? Now, I am so suspicious of Siror now because were his intentions? And again, the whole thing that happened in Obitium with him just escaping and then disappearing. First of all, like, why did he make Vis go into the pyramid? Like, even now, after finishing the whole book, I still did not understand the goal of. But why wouldn't you do it then? Why? Of course, he might say that you need to be synchronous to unalive Ka. But then you should have helped him. He expects Vis to go and do all of it on his own. I don't know. I am so suspicious of his character. I don't trust him at all. Are his motivations? Why is he making him do this? Then he lied to him about where he got all that information. Why is he putting obsidian in himself? Only people who do that are Yungtus. What are your thoughts? Did you find this whole thing fishy after reading it too? Please let me know in the comments. I need to talk to somebody about this because it's driving me crazy.